Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 157. Let's see what the question says. The compound C7H8 undergoes the following reactions. C7H8 followed by 3-chlorine slash delta gives A, and then which goes under reaction with bromine and iron, which yields the product B, which further goes in the reaction with zinc and HCl, giving us product C. Let's start with solving. The product C7H8 has to be toluene. Toluene means CH3 group attached with benzene, and so here this is a sort of a rough structure of toluene, and in reaction with 3Cl2 in sunlight, what happens is that the chlorine molecules makes the form, one of the chlorine atoms makes the form with hydrogen and leaves in the form of HCl, whereas the remaining Cls go to attach to the carbon attached to the benzene, and what ends up forming is CCl3 and the benzene ring. So this is our product A, and similarly what happens is when this reacts with Br2 and iron, the bromine go on to attach to the meta position because it cannot replace chlorine, because chlorine's affinity is greater than that of bromine's. So chlorine will be up there on top with the carbon, and bromine will have to go to the position that is the meta position. Then on the further reaction with zinc and HCl, it will simply converts again the CCl molecules to CH3, and this is our compound number C.